Hi! Today we're going to introduce to you our 2 steps post-operative wound care products. They are Hydrogel dressing for wound healing and Scar Care dressing for scar reduction. In the first 3 to 7 days after a surgery, the wound is still draining, so we need Hydrogel dressing to help the wound heal faster. The Hydrogel pad is made of highly absorbent hydrogel, which will absorb the fluids on the wound and provide a moisture environment to hydrate the wound and rapid the healing process. Next, as long as the wound stops exuding, you should start to use Scar Care dressing to prevent scar formation. The Scar Care dressing is made of medical-grade polyurethane gel, which has great elasticity to close up the wound and gives a downward pressure to the skin tissue for scars reduction. Both of the 2 products are featured with the waterproof film coated with medical-grade glue. It will secure the border and keep out the bacteria or other contaminants during the shower. In addition, the ultra-thin film is UV ray proof and will prevent the scar tissue from pigmentation. How to use the product? Step 1. Choose product and size. Before we purchase a wound dressing, we should confirm what stage our wound is in and choose the right size. Step 2. Clean the wound. Each time before you apply a new dressing, please clean the wound first. Shave the hair around as required before you clean the wound, in case the hairs reduce the adhesion of product. Use cotton swab with some iodine. Gently wipe the wound from inner to outer. Then, switch to a clean swab, dipped with some saline. Do it again in the same way. While the wound area dries, apply the dressing. Do not scissor the dressing for fitting. Open up the pouch and take the dressing out. Put the dressing on top of the wound with the release paper on the side towards the wound. Pull one side of the release paper outward and make the inner gel visible. Position the inner gel on the wound and make sure the wound is completely covered by the inner gel. Remove the release paper on both sides. Gently press down the dressing around to secure the border and seal the wound completely. Last, you'll find a shape tab on the side. Please remove it from the dressing. And it's done! The application for both products are the same, so let's do it again. How to remove the dressing? Remove the dressing from any loose corner. It is best to gently remove the dressing in a 180-degree direction. Slowly tear off the dressing with one hand. Gently press down the skin by the other hand at the same time. Clean the wound before you replace a new dressing. These are what we like to introduce to you, our post-operative 2-stage wound care products. Scars may not affect our daily lives, but the bad appearance usually makes us upset. Precise curing products will not only rapid the healing process, but also reduce the risk of scarring. That's the way to maintain our good quality of life with the least impacts caused by surgery.